Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to apply a new CPU to a motherboard. So I just bought this Intel Quad Core 9450 from eBay for less than 20 euros. The thermal compound comes along with the CPU. Okay, so we need to take off the CPU cooler. In order to take it off, we need to unscrew 4 plastic screws from the motherboard. Okay, you can do it with your hand or with a screwdriver. And after unscrewing the 4, you will be able to pull it off. Okay, you may disconnect from the motherboard in order to clean. Okay, let's remove the older CPU, a Core Duo, and pay attention to the yellow triangle. That's the way you need to mount your new CPU. Okay, so we need to clean the cooler in order to apply new thermal paste. Okay, so now we are ready to apply the new CPU. Don't forget about the triangle in the same position. And without touching the lower side of the CPU, put it in the socket and close it. Okay, now we are ready to apply the compound, the thermal paste. And just put a small amount on the middle. It will be easier to apply with a syringe. Okay, now we are ready to reattach the CPU fan or cooler. Make sure it's secure and reconnect the cables. Okay, it's ready to power on. So let's check if our Windows recognize the CPU, the new CPU. Here it is, so Quad Core 9450, and this will enable me to install Hackintosh on this machine. It was already Hackintoshable but not ready for Mojave and Hai Sьерра, and now I can go to Mojave and Hai Sьерra, and I will show you that is already running Hai Sьерra. And the day I'm posting the video, I have already installed Mojave. Okay, this is an ID to SATA adapter. also really cheap from eBay. And as I told you, I have High Sierra running on this machine, so it was a good upgrade. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next one.